So if you want a touchscreen, hindi, joystick. Okay. Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the Fling Mini. It comes in a carrying case, and we have a set of flings here. One for the right fling and one for the left fling. So if you want a joystick filling on your touchscreen display without any need of a battery or any connectivity, itong fling na to ang makakasolve ng problema mo. So for every fling, we have two suction cups here. So ito yung ididikit mo sa screen ng cellphone mo. All you have to do is attach it like this, stick it like that, and align it to the digital joystick. So once nakabit mo na to, meron ka ng physical joystick. And the feeling is similar to the PSP. Alam mo yon, yung back in the days na meron pang physical button. Ayan. So sa una, itong fling na to is medyo mahigpit yung travel. That's a good and bad thing. Kasi makikita mo na tatagal tong unit na to kasi medyo stiff siya. So if you want more movement on this, yung mas madali mo siyang magagalaw, all you have to do is banat-banatin mo muna siya bago mo siya i-attach dun sa cellphone mo. So playing games on these flings with a 5-inch display is medyo tama lang. So smaller than this, medyo matatakpan na yung screen mo. So playing on a larger device like a 5.5-inch display is better. Bigger than that is good. So build quality and design on this thing is very interesting. Kasi napaka-simple lang niya and it works. So yung suction cups niya dito guys is okay naman. Maganda yung kapit niya sa screen ng cellphone mo. And ito, medyo sa una pag binili mo siya, medyo mahigpit pa kasi nga bago pa eh. So all you have to do is banat-banatin mo lang ng konti hanggang sa meron na siyang magandang travel and medyo maluwag na siya, and it can now be very smooth movement on your joystick. So if you're wondering kung baka makakagasigas ng screen to, actually it's not going to gasgas your screen, but if you're going to press too hard on it, medyo magagasgas. So I just recommend that you have a screen protector just for protection for your screen, just in case you have a cellphone na medyo mabilis siyang magasgas. And also, ito kasing nasa ilalim nito guys, is hindi naman talaga siya nakakagasgas. Yan, this one. Depende na lang kung gaano siya kadiin, ikukuskus dun sa cellphone mo. So playing with your fling is very satisfying. So you have two flings here, just in case you need two. So it's very portable guys, and interacting with a physical button is very, nakakamiss din yun minsan from time to time. Lagi na lang yung screen natin yung tinatouch natin. So this is very interesting and very unique invention guys. Ayan, mapapansin mo. So, gameplay on this, basta you got used to it, mag-e-enjoy ka dito. Alright guys, so for more details about this product, check the link in the description box. Available to at Minusend online store, and also namimigay sila ng free sticky pad. So check out their Facebook page. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Again, my name is Hans, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.